For problem number 4, we are finding the angle. So angle B, let's go ahead and put an X here. That's the acute angle. So X degrees. Here's your acute angle. Here's your 90. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, and this is adjacent. We should have this memorized. The two sides that form the acute angle is your adjacent and hypotenuse. So this is going to be opposite from that angle. Now, the two sides we want to work with would be the opposite and the adjacent, because I'm given 20 and 6. So these are the two sides I want to work with. So opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. Okay, so tangent X degree is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, which is 20 over 6. Put a comma X there, mean you 3-1 that.